What separates the winners from the losers is how a person reacts to each new twist of fate. It's a blip, not a catastrophe. As long as you are going to be thinking anyway, think big. I don't hire a lot of number crunchers, and I don't trust fancy marketing surveys. I do my own surveys and draw my own conclusions. Everything in life is luck. If you are a little different, or a little outrageous, or if you do things that are bold or controversial, the press is going to write about you. A tiny leak can sink a ship. When you are wronged repeatedly, the worst thing you can do is continue taking it fight back. Courage is not the absence of fear. Courage is the ability to act effectively, in spite of fear. Remember, there's no such thing as an unrealistic goal, just unrealistic time frames. Criticism is easier to take when you realize that the only people who aren't criticized are those who don't take risks. I only work with the best. Leaders, true leaders, take responsibility for the success of the team, and understand that they must also take responsibility for the failure. Money was never a big motivation for me, except as a way to keep score. The real excitement is playing the game. Sometimes by losing a battle you find a new way to win the war. Nothing great in the world has been accomplished without passion. Rules are meant to be broken. Your business, and your brand, must first let people know what you care about, and that you care about them. In the end, you're measured not by how much you undertake, but by what you finally accomplish. Anyone who thinks my story is anywhere near over is sadly mistaken. Sometimes your best investments are the ones you don't make.